Are you okay?
Charles.
Wow, that just slipped out.
It looks like I'm wearing blue gloves. You can make it a new school fashion. I'll pretend it's a tattoo.
But it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And
Would you kiss me?
a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are the love of mine. Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.
Better? Maybe.
I really like you.
I feel okay when
You like me?
Wasn't that obvious? I need you to know that my life is way better because I met you.
You don't have to say that.
I do. And I'll keep on saying it until you believe me. But I don't care about getting into fights or pissing off my mates or anything like that. It's all worth it to be with you.
Cause it gets so hard to breathe when you're looking at me. I've never felt so alive and free. When you're looking at me, I've never felt so happy. And
You are the kindest, most thoughtful and caring and amazing person in the whole world. You're my favourite person. I need you to believe me.
Nick! I believe you.
Wishing on everyone that you would be mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. Dandelion into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know? Dandelion into the wind you
Oh my
go.
God, I like you so much.
Let my darling know.
And I love liking you.